Hello. So today we're going to talk about the metric system. The metric system is a system where there are measurements based off of whatever standard the world uses. So different states, different countries, they use different units to represent different measurements. And we're going to talk about some of those units today. So this metric system is applied to the world, and it depends on where you live, determines which type of metric units you use. So I want you to go ahead and after you finish answering those three questions at the top, I want you to go ahead and fill in the metric staircase. All right. So the base units here, that's always going to be meters, grams, and liters. Okay. That's always going to be the base unit, M, G, or L. Now, when you go down the stair ladder, you're getting smaller and you're getting into the deci, centi, or milli. Deci is just zero point 0.1, a centi is just 0.01, and a milli is 0.001. And the symbol for deci is D, the symbol for centi is C, the symbol for milli is M. If we go up, all right, we're getting bigger. So now we got deca, hecto, kilo. Deca is 10, hecto is 100, kilo is 1,000. The symbol for deca is DK. The symbol for hecto is H. The symbol for kilo is K. And these are called prefixes. So that means that they go in front of the unit. We see here we have an example of a kilogram of sand, gram for a pen, and milligram for like little bitty salt. A kilometer is something similar to a baseball. A meter would be the size of a door. A centimeter is the size of a paper cup. Millimeter is about the size of a dime or the thickness of a dime. And then you have a kiloliter, which is like really big bottles. Liter, which is like a Coke bottle. And then milliliter, which is like an eye drop. And then here are all the symbols: kilo, milli, centi, deca, hecto, centi. Sorry, I thought I said that one was centi. Centi, milli, deca. No, this was deca. Deca. So I want you to go ahead and fill in the deci. That's what I meant to say. I want you to go ahead and fill in the units now. The notes for changing units. So where it says changing units, find the starting prefix, find the ending prefix, count the steps between. If you go up, move the decimal to the left, the number of steps. If you go down, move the decimal to the right. Move the decimal to the right to the number of steps. So for example, so let's say we have 1 kilogram. We want to convert that to grams. Okay, so you'll start at kilo. Your base is grams, so you'll count from kilo all the way till you get to the base. 1, 2, 3. And because you're moving to the right, you move the decimal 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 1,000 grams. 2.3 hectometers to centimeters. So we're going to start at hecto. Centi is all the way down here. That's 4 steps down. Moving to the right, so the decimal is going to move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that answer is going to be 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So it's 23,000 centimeters. Last one. 5.22 liters into milliliters. So we start at the base, which is liters. We want to get to milli, and that's 3 steps down. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 3 steps to the right. So the answer is going to be 5,220 milliliters. So it says partner practice, but I actually want you to do this on your own. So if we see here, you already took those notes. So now I want you to try 1 through 14 on your own. And then I want you to check the answers in the Google Classroom. Thank you. Bye-bye.